And we're back, guys. Had to take a quick break, go grab another US or HDMI cable. I forgot that the 560 only has micro H or mini HDMI, micro HDMI, whatever it is. Anyway, so I had to go get one of those cables. And now we're back. And we're about to see if this is going to be a total fuck up or are we winners? Put you on the tripod. Just to prove that the GTX is in there, we're gonna go way in. Oh, that's just awful. There it is. GTX 560 SE. Necromancy. Alright. My chest is just pounding. This could be good, this could be bad. Here we go. No blue smoke. No blue smoke. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Do it. Ho 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 ho. Oh, it feels good. Feels good, boys. Alright. That's how you solder and fix a graphics card. Actually, let's check out her. No, I'll do another video, actually. Yeah. Actually, yeah. Let's just open Precision right quick. Precision, hello. Yeah, hardware info. Alright, it's giving us nothing on the GPU. Not one sensor. So I'm going to install the drivers and we'll be back. Alright, talk to you guys later.